Constitutional limitation. Central bank works according to the framed rules and regulation of the government, and its all dealing always remain with the said rules. The central bank not only observe the constitutional limits but also instruct the other banks and financial institutes to observe the said limits. Free from political pressure, central bank does not accept any kind of pressure of any political party or group while rendering its duty for the better interest of the country. Unfortunately, if the central bank becomes an instrument of any surprise group, then the country can face an irreparable loss. Custodian of banking system. Central bank is responsible for the production and growth of banking system. So the central bank not only keeps a watchful eye on economic affairs of the country but also play a vital role to strengthen and secure the present banking system. Custodian of credit system. Central bank is also responsible for the protection and stability of credit system, so these factors always keep in the view deciding the matters. Function of central banks. The activities of central bank are different from the activity of commercial bank. Central banks of the country look after the national interest rather after the profit. It is a banker of government and bankers bank. It does not deal with the public deposits or loans and advance to public. The function of central bank, as mentioned by banking experts, are performed in following capacities. These functions are performed almost by all the central bank of several countries of the world, although there are be very variations in degree of function. Sole right of note issue. In every country, central bank has sole right or monopoly of note issue. This authority have been given to central bank for informality in notes, to check undue expansion of notes. It regulates currency according to its demand, to make sure that notes issued are the liability of the bank and get full support of state. There are the following three main methods of note issue: fixed fishery method system, proportional reserve system, minimum reserve system. Banker to the government. The function of central bank as banker to government can be described as follow: keeping the deposit. Central bank keeps the deposit of central and provincial governments. It makes payment on behalf of government. However, it does not pay interest on government deposits. Advance loan. As a fiscal agent, the central bank provides loans to the government and make investment in treasury bill and long-term government securities.